tripping. I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling. You keep giving, you keep on getting it. Ooh, oh. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. PorchiaNicole here. As you can see, I have been fronting some new hair, okay, and I am loving this hair. This hair is by Unice hair, and I have reviewed their hair on my channel before, and if I'm not mistaken, their hair was the, I can't remember if it was the blue hair that I be wearing or the red hair that I be wearing, but either way, both of those color hair is awesome. Like, they were awesome hair, and I think the blue hair was my Unice hair, and I love that hair to this day. So yeah, this hair, I did get a frontal, and y'all know I never wear a frontal because I don't know how to work with frontals, but I did go and get this done. So yeah, I'm trying to test out how I feel about a frontal, you know, with half of my forehead being gone. But besides that, I am really loving this hair. This is the Unice Peruvian hair. I did get 4 bundles and a frontal. It's a 20-inch frontal. And the bundles, I got 2 22s and 2 24s. And I only used 3 bundles in this install. I didn't use the 4th one. So I do have the 4th bundle here. And I wanted to make sure that I show y'all what the hair looked like when I received it. The hair arrived pretty fast. The shipping was pretty fast. The hair didn't have no smell to it, so that was pretty good. This is one of the 22-inch bundles right here. So here it is. The Unice, you know, it has this little net on it. First of all, can I get this thing off? God dang. Okay, here was the hair. The hair was super soft. If y'all can see that, the hair was super soft. Look at the ends. The ends was awesome. The curl pattern was great. I did put a little black dye on this to make the hair get a little darker, because it was like a natural, to me this is like a 1B. But yeah, y'all look at this. Look. It was great. Like, and it smells so good, y'all. It's not the norm. It's not normal that you get hair from these companies and it doesn't stink, especially when they're coming from over the water, okay? So yeah, this hair, here's the bundle. Pretty full bundle to say that it's a 22-inch. Here it is stretched out. Yes, it was nice. So the frontal looked like it was plucked a little bit. So like we didn't have to do much plucking when it came to the frontal. Like if you look in the video, it looked like it was like pre-plucked, which is great because you didn't have to pluck it that much. It most definitely didn't have like that straight line that, you know, a lot of frontals come with. The curl pattern was the same as the bundles that I received, so that was pretty great. This is just like, I just installed this, so like I will most definitely come back to y'all in 2 weeks and let y'all know how this hair is holding up. But for the most part, y'all, this hair is cute. I've been wearing it like up like this. Y'all, isn't this cute? You can pull it up. This is how thick it is with all of the bundles. Y'all, this is cute. Like, y'all can't tell me this ain't cute. Like, this is cute. I do think I'm gonna put some more dye on this to dye it a little darker, because like I really want it to be black, like all up in here. But I think I'm gonna wait till it's closer to me getting like my lace touched up, so if it get wet or whatever, it doesn't matter because I'm about to get it touched up anyway. So yeah, it's cute, y'all. I don't know, like this is the lace right here. It's down. I do feel like maybe a little bit like I would like it plucked like in the part. Like if I part it, I would want my part like plucked a little bit, but I haven't even been wearing it in a part yet. I just been wearing it up. I think that's cute. I just been wearing it up. So yeah, you guys, like I said, this was the Unice hair. I did get it installed. I've been having it in my hair for probably like 3 days, and I've been tying it down. But for the most part, these are the curls that I came out with after it was washed, because we dyed it. And I haven't been doing anything to it. I just been waking up and going. thumbs up if y'all like this frontal situation. Y'all know y'all normally seeing me with either, you know, my own leave out or, you know, a closure. But how you like this frontal game stuff? Like, I think it's kind of cute. Oh, maybe my part was supposed to be on this side because that side looked more defined. I don't know, y'all. Look, maybe my part was supposed to be over here. I don't know what my part on this side though. But yeah, what y'all think? So yeah, if you want to look at more of the Unice stuff, they have an Instagram, they have a YouTube channel. It is a lot of information out there that you can find on this hair, like on Unice as the company period. But y'all, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Let me tell y'all something. I was about to buy some Unice hair, okay? Like, it was in my cart. Like, I literally was about to buy some hair, and then I don't know, it's something about these smartphones, because I promise you, like 3 days later I get an email and they was like, hey, do you want to test out this hair? And I'm like, bitch, y'all listening to me? Like, Siri, did you fucking text them, like, or what? Let them know like I was looking for them or what? But y'all, look, y'all, if it looks crazy, it's because I just had it in a bun and I was like, oh, let me take it down for the video. But like, this is it. Y'all, this hair is super nice. So yeah, if y'all have any questions, please ask them down below. Like I said, this is just my initial like, not really an unboxing, but my initial showing of this hair. I will make sure that I come back and update you guys on it. Like, I should have recorded some like in the beauty shop, but I had never went to her before and I didn't know if she was gonna like be comfortable with it, and I didn't even ask because, like I said, I didn't really know her. But when I go back for the update of my lace, I will see can you know, can we record a little bit so y'all can see. Y'all, this is cute. Like, I am feeling this. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. That's cute, right? Yeah, I'm loving this hair. Like, Unice, I don't care what nobody say about Unice. Either they bitch, this hair is better than the first time. Okay. Y'all, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up if you're really digging this hair. Like, y'all, we got to come through. If you have any other questions about this hair, like I said, please leave them down below. Feel free to ask me anything. Make sure y'all follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. I will be having all kind of hair updates there. You know, taking little pictures, making little videos, planning this hair. Y'all, I have never had a frontal, so I don't know how to act right now. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing. Bitch, if you can't grow it, buy it. What? Yeah, show that work. But yeah, I think I'm too cute. Girl, what? Oh, girl, how did I forget about the middle? Y'all, people gonna get tired of me because they gonna be like, bitch, get your hands out your head. Like, it's not even that serious. Bitch, you're doing too much. Girl, wait till I get myself a middle part. Wait till I get myself a middle part. Y'all ain't gonna be saying that. Just wait till I get myself a middle part. But yeah, you guys.